Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter a short code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of the pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to tap on them, then enter my phone, which is at the top of the list. And here all we have to do is to tap on this model option at the top of this kind of highlighted section. So let's tap, and as you can see, the serial number will appear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.